to be showing you how to make bat wings just like mine. With this tutorial, you'll be ready to terrorize the local villagers in no time. That was a joke. You'll need tacky glue, black felt, and 2 black pipe cleaners. Silly me, partway through the video, I realized that you'll also need scissors and a marker. Take your first pipe cleaner and fold it in half. Using your thumb as a measurement, fold down the other 2 sides of the pipe cleaner. Adjust your pipe cleaner like this to make an M shape. Fold up like this. Now fold down and up again on each side. Reposition the pipe cleaner like this. Your bat wings are starting to take form. Fold out like this, and then fold the pipe cleaner over on itself. Repeat with the other side. Woohoo! You're done with the first pipe cleaner. Take your second pipe cleaner. You're going to want to make it identical to the first pipe cleaner. You can fold the second pipe cleaner on top of the first pipe cleaner to make it more accurate. Once you're finished folding your 2 pipe cleaners, you're ready to move on to cutting the felt. Psst! It's okay to redo folding the second one. I did it too. Put one of your bat wings on the felt. I'm putting it at the top of the felt so I can reuse the felt for another pair. Take your marker. I decided to use Sharpie because the red marker didn't show up well on the black felt. Make small little half circles in around the bat wings. Sorry that I couldn't be more clear. Trace the bat wings. You should have a faint outline of your wings. Note, if you're making brown wings, this step should be much easier. It's time to cut out your wings. Now you have the felt for your bat wings. Another note, I trimmed the wings to fit the bones. Well, when I say bones, I mean this pipe cleaner. Boy, I've never made a tutorial like this before. If your hands are sweaty at this point, like mine, wipe the felt on your hands. This will get rid of any residue marker that could stain your LPS. Time for tacky glue. Flip over your bat wings. Put tacky glue on these areas. Once that step is done, stick your felt wings on. I have forgotten which side is which. Leave your wings to dry. Once your glue is dry, it's time to add glue to the other pipe cleaner. Try to line up the two pipe cleaner wings as best as you can. Again, let dry. Once your wings are dry, you can put them on your LPS. Your new wings fit under your littlest pet shop's belly, just like this. If you have extra time on your hands, here's some other things that you can try. You can try making your wings in different colors, like these brown ones that I made. Hello! I am a dog. Now, I haven't tried this myself, but you can try using black pipe cleaners and red felt to make devil wings. That's all for today. Bye!